Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? It's a very good time for Shiba Inu holder because my brother, you can see at this time 0.42% just in only last 1 hour they are profit now. So congratulations, my brother. First of all, I will give you the very important update about Shiba Inu, and after that, my friends, we will talk about this, my friends, to what's the prediction, what's the technical analysis, and what's the opinion, my brother. So kindly you need to watch this video completely to understand better now. This time, my brother, you can see here the Shiba Inu just in only a last 1 hour to take a profit. Other one, my friend, and last 24 hours and last 7 days, Shiba Inu is completely and the loss now. They cannot get a profit, and definitely, my friends, they will dumps and dumps completely. They will dumps down. So my brother, you can see here 0.00006 USD dollar is the latest price of Shiba Inu. I hope the price will be increasing if holders are holding. This time you can see here all crypto market is moving upward now, but this time, my friend, just in only Shiba Inu, one of the unique coin to they will dumps down hour by hour, minute by minute, and absolutely second by second. So that's a very bad news for all of you mothers. To they will get my friend, they cannot get a profit and they are lost by loss. So Shiba Inu holder, please don't do any mistake at the end of month. I hope, my brother, at the end of month they will give you a profit, but just in only if you hold it. So hold it, and I hope, my friend, you will be win this now. So Shiba Inu holder, one thing I want to tell you, to at the end of month every coin will move upward now. So if you have any plan to invest more, so go now and invest in Shiba Inu coin. I hope you will be also moving upward now and you will be win now. So thanks for watching, Shiba Inu holder. Please, before take any decision, my friends, please research personally, and after that, my friends, take a decision. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.